Installing and activating a HOLASIM eSIM on your iPhone with iOS 26.1 is super easy. Remember, install your eSIM a few hours before your trip and activate it only once you arrive at your destination. Once you complete your purchase on our website, we'll send you an email with everything you need to finish the process. Let's get started. Pick up your phone. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. To install the eSIM, you can do it directly from the email we sent you with the QR code. Tap the QR code and the installation will start automatically. The system will recognize that your HOLASIM plan is ready to be installed and will take you to cellular. There, you'll see the option, Activate your eSIM. Tap Activate. The installation process will begin. Once the eSIM has been read correctly, tap Continue. Next, the activation process will start. When the cellular setup complete, tap Done. In cellular, you'll be able to see your new eSIM. Now select your new eSIM. Under Cellular Plan label, you can rename this line. We recommend HOLASIM plus your destination. Congratulations! Your eSIM is now installed correctly. Have you arrived at your destination? Then it's time to activate your eSIM. Go back to Settings, then to Cellular. Select the HOLASIM eSIM and under Data Roaming, turn data roaming on. Now select your primary eSIM and disable this line for mobile data. Go back to cellular data and make sure HOLASIM is selected as the default line for mobile data. It's very important to turn off Allow Cellular Data Switching. This helps avoid unexpected roaming charges. And that's it. Your HOLASIM eSIM is now active. Connected again. Let's go! If you need help, our customer support team is available 24/7 via chat. We're here to keep you connected wherever you go. HOLA World. HOLASIM.